Hello, welcome to my crib. Come on down, MTV. We're gonna be in the basement down here. We'll pass a lovely cat trap on our way down. Use this to try and rescue kitties when, you know, they're out on the streets and we want to save them. I've had no success so far. It's very freaking hard. This is my bedroom. It's my sanctuary. It's my safe space. I love it here. You can ask any of my friends. I spend too much time in here. We have a bathroom and then I have one too many closets. It's a little bit absurd. I'm super excited to show you every single thing I've got, where it's all from, and how I organize my space. So let's go. When you come down, first thing you see is my princess balloon. My dad got this for me from the Dollar Tree when he was taking care of Petunia while I was out of town. I've got my lovely hanging mirror. This is Petunia's beautiful cat bed that we got at Target. She really likes it, but it took her a while, and I'll show you her real favorite cat bed. And then you guys, over here, this is a moderate Taylor Swift shrine. It's really just where I have all my things that I don't know what to do with. I've got all my magazines. I've got a couple of records as well, but I don't have a record player. And then I've got some framed pieces from her release party that we threw. And then of course we've got our carbon monoxide monitor just to make sure I don't die in my sleep. Moving over to the first thing you see when you come down, you just are greeted by this beautiful wall of calendars. This is Taylor Swift. For the month of July, it's happy, free, confused, and lonely at the same time. This is the cat calendar. We've got I Slept on the Plant and Killed It. Like, are you kidding me? We're making our way through this beautiful space. I think we're gonna start by just showing you everything in this bedroom. This is the main space, and then we have the bathroom. This is where Petunia eats. Her kitty bowls are so cute. I got this like handy mat because she does eat in the basement. She eats on carpet, and that's kind of gross. So we obviously vacuum a lot, but it's good to have like a silicone pet mat. Obviously, you always need to have clean water. And then she free feeds on dry food. This bowl is shaped like a cat, which is so flipping cute. These are these like raised bowls that we use, and it's supposed to help with their whiskers so that they're not experiencing sensory issues when they're eating their wet food. So love that. Got another beautiful mirror that's perfect. I think we've made it to my favorite part of this whole bedroom. There is no better place in the world than this bookshelf. It's organized rainbow order. I haven't had the chance to read every book, but I have read the majority and definitely plan to read them all. Did you guys see that I met Miley Cyrus in 3rd grade? Big flex. 2009 was my year. Noah Cyrus was there and she complimented my coat. Here's another calendar. This one's a Taylor one as well, and it's for July. It's my favorite one. Please picture me in the trees. I hit my peak at 7 feet in the swing over the creek. I was too scared to jump in. I love this little decor, this crystal my mom gave to me, and then she also gave me this None of This Is True book that I'm dying to read. Down here we have one of my favorite F. Scott Fitzgerald quotes, and then I have also 2 of my favorite bookmarks. This is my least favorite shelf, but you know, it made it work. I got this nightstand from Amazon. It's super cute, and there's an irreplaceable, priceless animal on the bottom. Her name is Petunia. Hi, Toonie. Hi, Bunny. My mom installed this light for me. She's an interior designer, so I can't be of service. I don't know where it's from, but I will link it below. Leo bought me these roses. This is my mama and I when I was a little girl at a waterfall. So cute. My dad got me this candle from Costco. One of my best friends got me this cat plate when she was on a trip, and I used it for my jewelry. In this little shelf, I have the 1-year anniversary scrapbook I made for Leo. Such a trip down memory lane. I can't even believe that it has been this long. I also have a planner underneath here my mom gave me. It's called The Daily Grind. This is my women's Bible, which is so cute and pink. Matches my nails. This is my bed. Whoa! I love it. Where to begin with this beautiful, soft, buoyant little bed? I guess we'll start over here. This is the book I'm currently reading. It's A Court of Thorns and Roses part 2. So it's Mist and Fury. I'm like 60% of the way, and it's the best book I've read this year. So highly recommend this series. These are my AirPod Maxes that Leo got me for Christmas. I made them pink. I really recommend that anybody who uses Maxes does the same because I just think they're so feminine and cute. Don't mind my bed. There might be a little bit of self-tan on it, but this is my all-white space. It's so cute. This bed frame is made out of what's called boucle. It's kind of like one of those cloud beds. I got it from Soft Frame Designs. It is my favorite thing I've ever owned. It was the most expensive thing I think I've ever bought in my life. I love it so much, and unfortunately, so does Petunia. She has been destroying it the past few weeks. She loves it, but honestly, let her love it. I'm not gonna live forever. Don't worry, because I bought Petunia her own matching boucle bed because we need to be one with the sisterhood. She doesn't like it. I try and put her in it every day to get her to like it, and it never works. This is not aesthetic, but that's okay. It's her favorite heating pad, so I like to have it turned on the lowest setting like pretty much all day. This knit blanket was very nice. It's from Pottery Barn. My mom put it in here and she wants it back, and I refuse to give it back because it's so comfy and cute. Having a white bed definitely comes with its own risks. It gets dirty much faster, but it also holds you accountable to do your laundry on time. Most of my bedding stuff usually is from like Amazon, Target, Pottery Barn, PB Teen. And if you want to splurge, you can go to like Anthro or something. I regret to inform you that this is my beautiful cat plant. She's passed away. My mom brought her to my house when I was out of town. I didn't know she was real, so I didn't water her for many a days. This is what she looks like now. We've been trying some creative ways to try and revive her, aka soaking the soil in water in the shower and then letting it dry, but you know, to each their own. This is Petunia's tall scratching post. She scratches it multiple times a day. You gotta give them some height, you know? We also have a floor scratcher that I'll show you later. This is the best thing I've ever bought. It's perfect for the winter because it has the little winter pad. But Petunia is obsessed with this place. Like, she loves it. I highly recommend if you have a cat, you have to get a covered bed. I am a corporate 9-to-5 queen, so I do work from home like 3 days a week. I got this desk from my sweet roommate Lauren. She used it last year. I think it's from Amazon. And then this rolly chair that I ordered is also from Amazon. It's pretty comfy, but I feel like I could have done better. When you work remote, I feel like you gotta get an ergonomic chair. I'll show you what I keep on my desk for when I work. This is my heat lamp. I love it. It's very weird. People aren't into that, but I'm super into the heat lamp. Got this lampshade and lamp stand from my mama. This is my Stanley, of course. My laptop with a clear like worker stand, which is linked on my storefront. It's the best. Another clear stand for my desktop. These, one of my best friends got for me in Japan. They're like little cat figurine. This I got from my work. It says cool to be kind, and it's just cute, and it reminds me that life is good. This I took at the cat shelter, and it's a bunch of notes about a trio of kitties we have that are very stressed and very hard to get adopted. So I'm gonna try and write a personalized profile for them. This is my candle. I always have candles burning. Right now I have 3 burning in this room. This is my poof. Petunia will find herself situated atop it, but normally I really just have random items on this that I don't want to be messed around my room, like things I need to return, or errands, or Goodwill, or whatever it is. This is my trash can. I really like it. It's gold, and it's an octagon. Over here is a toy for Petunia. She's not the most playful cat, but when she is, always provide lots of scratching apparatuses. And then this is a little ball that she likes to watch me push around. I told you guys I was gonna show you her different scratchers. So this is another one. It's on the floor and I rub it with catnip all the time. Next, we're on to the bathroom. Come with me. We've got our get naked rug. This is probably my favorite part of this bathroom. It's just so inviting. And then we have this cute like ruffly shower curtain, which I love. Both of them from Amazon. We've got my sink, which has two drawers of just all my, you know, classic bathroom things. A pink electric toothbrush. I have a bunch of black and white Chanel prints from my mom, and I think they're so cute. And I love these light wood. Oh no, it's broken! That's okay. Dyson Airwrap. She's big, she's bulky. I don't know where she's supposed to go if not atop the toilet. This soap that Leo and I got in Europe. Litter mate. Love it. We love a litter mate. This is really, don't mind the litter. This is a wooden furniture item that I use to hide Petunia's litter box. And it's so nice because while it doesn't mask the smell, it's a cute piece of furniture and it fits perfectly in a tiny space. I just decorate it with like a little candle. I have my close-up makeup mirror here. These are my everyday toiletries. Another piece of art. These are my perfumes. I have some more, but these are my dailies. And then these are obviously like when you have company, you know. This is a cleaning spray and it's like very classy, very fancy. We love. And then in this Sephora bag hack, there's so many bath bombs that you collect over time. It's good to have them accessible. Let's go out of here. This is our next space to explore. This closet's very important. It's designed to welcome clothing, especially long clothing, because there's no like shelves or anything like that. So I put in a mini fridge, which is such a big fat sleigh. Inside, dresser space, drawers and PJs and stuff. But atop that, my extra blankets for things like, you know, when there's sleepovers or picnics or whatever the use extra blankets for. My fan that Leo and I use literally every single night, because if you're not sleeping with a fan, what are you doing? Last but not least, of course, my candy collection. I also have some donuts in a big stick or whatever they're called, beef stick. I have a Slim Jims, my guilty pleasures right now. I also keep my laundry bin in there, but I'm doing laundry right now. We keep all of our closet doors in here because it's so big. It seems so messy and scary in here, but I swear to God, there's a rhyme to my reason. We're not gonna do a full tour. I just wanna show you guys how I've organized it. This big bin is Petunia, okay? It's all things Petunia. Food, medicines, soft cones, baby wraps, literally everything you can think. There's a black Lulu bag here. That's all my camera supplies. It's got, you know, hard drives and lights and tripods and everything you could need. Right here is the most important bin. And it's hidden by this lovely calendar for a reason. Everything underneath here is like a super sentimental memory to me, and I'm such a collector that I want to make everything into scrapbook. I'm gonna use that one day to make, you know, some really sentimental things. Back here is the TV that Leo uses. We love to do game nights, so we'll set up the TV, we'll play Xbox or Sims or watch movies or whatever. I've got Petunia's carriers, I've got returns, I've got a whole bag back here for birthday supplies. That red bag right there is all of my art supplies for painting and scrapbooking. This is a light I just got at a garage sale with my dad, and it works. I plugged it in. I tried. It's amazing. These are like extra makeup items. It's organized, but it just looks messy, I swear. I added this to my room when I moved in because I thought it gave it a little bit more of a cozy vibe. Basically, there were slidey closet doors on all of these, and they were clunky and loud. So I added a rod up here. Well, Leo did. And then we added 3 sets of sheer white curtains, which I love. These are all my sweatshirts, and then these are all my hung items. Down here, we've got some sweaters that can't be hung, and then just like tank tops, short sleeves, long sleeves. In the second closet, we've got all of my shoes on bottom. They're very messy right now. I hang all my bags on this little hanger just because I used to have a purse hook, but then when we put up the bookshelf, that had to go. These are all my things that I don't wear as much. Some more dresses or whatever, things that are out of season. Top right is all of my hats and just like various types of socks that I don't wear very often, like tights. In the middle, we've got a projector for me and Leo, and then games that we like to play. There's normally more. This is a basket of all of my swimsuits and, oh God, swimsuits and other things. For the final closet. Oh. This is big coats, winter ting, more bags, the longer type. This is my bag I take to work 2 days a week. It's got my work computer and all things work supplies. These are like my summer shorts, things that don't have a current home right now because it just became summer here in Seattle. All that's really left is just pants, skirt, workout supplies. Got my backpack that I use for traveling, and some leftover shoes like tall boots and cowboy boots. That is my room. I'm so happy that you guys came over, and I hope you liked my bedroom because it's literally my favorite place on the planet. I could spend and do spend many a days down here. Thanks for watching.